Very good morning and warm welcome to another episode of A Pulse to A Plus, the educational channel. Let's have another activity today. Dear students, once more welcome to our math class today. Ours is a new chapter, 6th standard, 4th chapter, volume. Let's look what volume is. See, you can see a picture here. See, what can you see in the picture? Two blocks are here. Which one is larger? Clearly we can say the second one, that is the right one is larger than the left one. Here we can see two boxes. Which one is larger? Here also we can say the right one is larger. Now you can see some group of blocks here. First group contains 8 blocks. Second group contains 6 blocks. And third contains only 5 blocks. So it is clear that the first one is larger than the two. Now you can see here some more blocks. What is special about this block? Here the blocks, let's take one block here. You see the length is 1 centimeter, breadth is also 1 centimeter, and height is also 1 centimeter. So length and breadth and height are the same. Such a solid is known as a cube. And what is special about a cube? The peculiarity is cube is that the length, breadth and height are the same. So here the shape is made of cubes. How many cubes? Here in lengthwise we can see 4 cubes. Breadthwise we can see 3 cubes, and height-wise we can see 2 cubes. So here the number of cubes. Let's see how many. So here in our example the shape occupies 4 centimeter lengthwise, 3 centimeters widthwise and 2 centimeters height-wise. Altogether 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the substances. Keep in mind the unit is centimeter cube here. So centimeter cube is the unit of volume, or meter cube, or sometimes maybe cubic feet also. Already we studied how to find out the volume. Now here are some more examples for you. Try to find out the answers counting the length, width and height. So next one is here. You can see some more. Here length, breadth and heights are given directly so as to find out the volume of each. Now here the length, breadth and height of a bridge are 21, 15 and 7. Now what's the volume here? Now another example is another question is here. Here it is a cube, the side of which is 8 centimeters. Then what's the volume? As far as a cube is concerned, you know all sides are equal. So one side is 8 centimeters. So side into side into side is equal to cube's volume. So try to find out the answer for this. One more question is there. If cubic centimeter of a iron is weighs 8 grams, then what will be the weight of the entire cube? Then we have to find out the answer for there also, multiplying with 8 grams so as to get you the total weight. Try to do. Now here is a different question for you. So how we are asked to find out volume, but here in the case is not. Let's go through the question first. A wooden block of length 8 centimeters and breadth 4 centimeters has a volume of 180 cubic centimeters. What's the height? That's the question here. So we are told to ask not volume but height here. In order to find out ask volume, we are given volume, length and breadth. Using this, how can we find out this problem? Volume is the product of length, breadth and height. V is equal to L into B into H, as we know. So in this problem, the product of 4 and 9, that is breadth and height, breadth and length, is multiplied by height, that is 180, that is 36. 36 means 9 into 4 multiplied by the height gives 180. So in order to find out height, we need only to divide 180 by 36, then we will get height. That's how we are going to find out height. Now some more questions are asked here. Let's try. First two ones are given to find out volume. Next one is to find out height here. Fourth one is to find out breadth. Next, that is fifth and sixth are to find out length, and last one is to find out breadth. You try your level best. Let's see. Let's try to find the answer for this table using a simple software. We can go to software first. See, this is for Malayalam medium, so let's select here for English medium. First of all, we can go through the instruction. See, don't you know how to find out volume? If we get length, width and height, how can we solve the problem? Suppose we get any of these three data, the remaining data also can be found out. Try to do your level best here. See, that's the instruction. Now here is the space for entering data, then you have to enter the answer here. See, here is the space for finding out volume, here is the height, here is to enter breadth, here is to enter length, here is to enter volume again, which is for space for the cube to enter. Now let's go to the questions here. First question is 387, that we can enter here. 387, 8 can be entered here, 3 here and 7 here. Then what will be the answer? So first of all, we can enter the answer here. 8 into 3 is equal to 21 into 7 is equal to 21. 24 into 7 is equal to 168. 168 is the answer. Okay, correct is shown here. So suppose we don't know the answer, or you have no idea about the answer, then you enter here C, not here, enter here C. Then the formula to find out V, that is volume, will be shown here. Using the formula you can find out the answer. So V is equal to LBH. V stands for volume, L refers to length, B for breadth, H for height. Now let's go to the next one here. You see, it is again to find out volume. 4 into 6 into 5, 6, 4, 5. Here is the space for finding out volume. So 6, 4, 5 has been respectively added here. Now we have to enter here the volume. 6 into 4, 24 into 5 is equal to 120, and here 120. Okay, correct. Now let's go to the next question, third question. What's the third question? 6, 4, 48. we have to find out height here. So 6 for 48. We are entering 6 here, 4 here, 48 here. Then what will be the answer or height that we have to find out? 48 divided by 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 48 divided 24 is equal to 2. That we enter here. So you can see correct. Now let's go to the next one. Here is the answer. See, 8 to 48. Breadth is to be find out. 8 to 48. 8 to 48. 8 is here, but 2 is here, 48. We enter the question now. Now we have to find out the answer. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 16 into what is 48? 16 into 3. Enter 3 are correct. Now next one is here is to find out length. Breadth is 2, height is 2, and volume is 48. 2 to 48. Here is space for finding out length. 48 is added here. Now we have to enter the answer, that is length. Length is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Okay. Now that's also correct. Now sixth question. That's also to find out length. 2 for 80. 2 is already here. 4 is to be added. 80 is to be added here. Now we have to find out the length. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 80 divided by 8 is equal to 10. That we have to add here. Now it is also correct. Now next one is, last one is 14, 5 to 14 is to be added here. Here can delete. 14, 5 to 10. 5 is it to 14, 5 to 10. Then we are asked to find out breadth. See, 210 divided by 40 into 5. 40 into 5 is 70. 210 divided by 70 is equal to 3. So we enter here 3. You see, now we have completed 4 questions. We have got B grade, 4 stars here, 4 marks here. Now one more question is here, one more space is to be added. It is for cube. Already we have been asked to find out a question here to find out the sides of a cube. Here a rectangular cube of iron of sides 8 centimeters. What's the volume? So this is about a cube. We can find out the answer from here. The side is 8 centimeters. We enter the 8 here. Now what is the volume? 8 into 8 is equal to 64 into 8 is equal to 512. That we enter here. See, it is also correct. Now we have got 5 marks, A grade, 4 stars. We have been congratulated here. That's about this question. Now let's look. If we get the answer, having any doubt regarding the answer, we have already seen here to enter here C. So if you enter here C, the formula will be available here. Likewise, we have to enter H is equal to V by LB is shown here. Here V is equal to V by LH is seen here. Now here also L is equal to V by VH is seen here. Here what is seen? V is equal to S A cube, A into A. That is all seen here. So you can rely upon this help if you don't know the answer. So that's all about this worksheet. You go on. We are going to wind up this session today. Hope that it was useful. If so, like, share and subscribe. We can see you with another session next time. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching.